Ka kenhun ki Nongthoh Khubor bat ki Nonglum Khubor na Bhoi district ringkat bat ki bor Pulit jong Bhoi district kin penlong ye Jingiakynjatbol football parlok lane ka friendly match hamadan paham sim Lashai ke Sngi katah ka khandai tarik unai lur arjar arpar kabai kini Jingiakynjatbol on sedang duduk ke por lai baje janmet haba pentip syaki pajba na kaliang jong superintendent of police Usri Giri Prasad bat deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district ki khot ki wer ye pajba ka thain banwan sakhi ye kini Jingiakynjatbol namar ke jing thumuk bahak mat kalong ban ai ke jing tip bat ke jing pensyai halor ke jing jilai jong drugs bat kumno bantip ki briu ki bapanon kam ya uneu drugs namar kum bagalong ki kimi ki kepala ne ki bahaya ngasem jong gitu ki baju penon kam ya uneu jat jing di kim tip ya ke jing sedang henry ki tip onda mau briu la kerni bat pher karukom long karukom man kum taban laj ne kini ki jing sniu bat bantai ke jing bha ki kli ke bor district Bhoi ki kentu ik pejba banwan se kene friendly football match ha ke juga por ke awareness program halor ke jingken rei jong drugs.
It gives me very profound pleasure to announce that we are going to have a friendly football match with the team of district administration Bhoi and the media team at Paham Singh Stadium in Nongthoh. So the idea behind this friendly match is to create a lot of awareness regarding the social ills issues like domestic violence, the drug abuse, and to bring together the youth and the people of Bhoi to fight this menace that we are having in our society. And again, at a time that in the last month itself, Bhoi being an aspirational district, we have secured Delta rank 3rd at the all India level. So I think this is the best time to have this kind of a meeting and this kind of a friendly match so that we can commemorate this thing and we can provide due support to the media and acknowledge the fact that the important role that they play in taking the message to the people and creating social awareness and being a partner in the development of the whole district. Thank you so much, and I appeal all of you, please come in large numbers and be a part of this program to make it a grand success.
I'm very happy to announce that Office of the Superintendent of Police Bhoi District along with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District is organizing a friendly football match with the fourth pillar of democracy, that is the media, in which the Bhoi media team will participate and we'll have a friendly match. And this main reason we are organizing this match is that media being a very important organ, our district administration as well as the police, we look forward to work with them against all the anti-social elements and social ills prevailing in the society. And the joint team will also take a pledge against drugs, POXO Act and other social ills in the Pamsiam ground on 9th September at 3 o'clock. I appeal to the people of Bhoi to kindly join us in the friendly football match so that it will be an awareness as well as a drive against all these types of ills. And we look forward to work with the media further and hope this match will go a long way ahead in spreading awareness among the public. Thank you.